In this video, I will show you guys how you guys can log in into your Capital One credit account or credit card account. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, hit that subscribe button and let's move on. First step, you just want to search for Capital One credit card login and search for it. And do not get confused. To log in into a Capital One credit card, what you have to do is log in into your online banking account first. Once you log in into your online banking account, and from your account, you can access your credit card or activate it or apply for it. You can do anything. So don't get confused. You don't have to create a credit card account. Your online banking account is the account from where you guys can apply for a new card. Alright, so once you search for it, click on the first link. Once you do that, it's going to bring you over here. Now just enter the username over here and then enter the password of your account and click on sign in. You should be able to log in into your Capital One account. Once you're inside your account, from there scroll down or navigate to the credit card section and apply, register, or do whatever you want with that. Alright, so yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you understand. If you were able to understand this, then hit that subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.